Hello and welcome back to another BOTB video. Today we're going to be looking at the midweek car. But before we go and look into that, we're going to be looking at last week's results. So last week's results, we decided that, well, I decided I was going to go shorter on the ball. I think looking at the ball in this guy's eyes, I thought the ball was going to be closer because this guy was going to head the ball with the hair fluffing and everything. You thought it was directly going to go to his head. But the judges decided after that the ball was actually quite far out. But we had the bang on the right line. We were just a bit far out. I think we got into zone 2 after when we were aiming for zone 1. But as you know, there's always another week to play. So this week we're going to be looking at this photo, which is yet again not a very easy one. Obviously BOTB want to get their money's worth out of us now because they're picking hard photos every week now between the midweek and the dream car. But today we'll look at this photo, and to me it seems like that this guy's a number 9, so he's a striker. So I feel like the ball's been knocked from either a midfielder or a defender to try and get over the top of the defenders. But this guy's obviously seen the ball in front of the striker, so he's gonna jump ahead of him. He feels he's got the opportunity to come ahead of him and head the ball. So we feel the guy's run onto the ball, but the defender's just about to get to it. So I feel like the ball's gonna be coming from an angle, maybe quite high angle to get over the top of him, but maybe didn't reach so far now. So the guy's gonna be headering the ball. So we'll get our lines out now and we'll see where we are with it. I feel this eye is looking quite that narrow. I feel that's right. And we can't really see a second eye. But to me, it could be anywhere within that range. And then we'll look at this guy, who's going to be looking around there. And this one around here. And then we'll draw our middle line then. And we'll see where we're at on there. Draw a bang on the middle by that. That seems about right. And then same with this one. We'll set our average coordinate then, which will be 1822,848. That's what my average is going to be this week. So we'll set our coordinates around this one then. So I feel the ball's going to be coming from around there. So we'll set our cluster then within range. We're not going to go too tight this week because the ball could be at any angle and the judges haven't been very nice to us the recent weeks. So I'll get all our coordinates in around here. And then we'll see where we are then after that. So yeah, again, we're going to be looking for zone 1 or hopefully closer. But I feel this week that's a good position for where our ball's going to be. I think looking at it, it's going to be coming straight at an angle. This guy's come across to head the ball, and that's what we're going for. But that's it again for another video. If you could like and subscribe the video and let me know where you're putting your coordinates this week, I'd really appreciate it. But until then, I'll see you Monday for the next Dream Card competition video.